Croatia is a destination you don't just visit, you taste it. Along the Adriatic coast, fresh seafood is a part of everyday life. Enjoy grilled octopus, local fish straight from the sea, and traditional black risotto made the Dalmatian way. Sit down in a small family-run conobus where meals are prepared with care and traditions are shared from generation to generation. With Rewind Croatia, we help you experience food like a local. Join hands-on cooking classes, taste high-quality Croatian olive oils, and enjoy wine tastings from beautiful vineyards in Istria and Dalmatia. These moments connect you to people, the land, and the culture. Visit us, slow down, and choose local. Discover Croatia through its flavors, because here, food is not just a part of the trip.